is for ambulance, helping people every day. B is for bandage, wrap it the careful way. C is for capsule, medicine to help you heal. D is for doctor, making everyone feel well. E is for eye chart, read the letters one by one. F is for first aid kit, safety is for everyone. G is for gloves, keep our hands nice and clean. H is for hospital, helping every patient's dream. I is for injection, quick and gentle, brave and strong. J is for juice, healthy all day long. K is for kit, medical tools inside. L is for lab coat, doctors wear it with pride. M is for medicine, helping you get well. N is for nurse, kind and caring as well. O is for oxygen mask, helping us breathe with ease. P is for pill, take it if doctors please. Q is for quick check, health is number one. R is for reception, welcoming everyone. S is for stethoscope, listening to your heart. T is for thermometer, checking from the start. U is for uniform, neat and nice to wear. V is for vaccine, keeping us healthy with care. W is for wheelchair, rolling safely around. X is for X-ray, seeing bones safe and sound. Y is for yoga ball, exercise every day. Z is for Zinc Tablet, helping us grow.